All right, boys and girls, we're doing math calendar today. So tell me the date today. Remember, we say the day of the week, the month, the date, the year. Jeremiah.
Tuesday, February. No, March.
Seventh. What's the year?
2017.
Good. And what polygon are we adding to our pattern today? Lenore.
Triangle.
Triangle. Raise your hand if you can tell me an attribute of a triangle. Titus? 3 sides. What's another attribute of a triangle? Riley?
3 equal sides.
3 equal sides of this one, right?
You can put 2 triangles together to make a rhombus.
Right. We could put 2 of these triangles together and make this rhombus. So that triangle is half of a rhombus, right?
Yeah.
How many triangles would fit inside this hexagon?
6.
6. So a triangle is what fraction of a hexagon? 1/6. 1/6. Good job.
Yeah.
All right. Mia, thank you for picking our times today. If the start time is 7 o'clock, what do the hands on the clock look like? Riley.
3 hours is 7. Middle hand is 7, and put just leave the big hand on the soul.
Okay. Do we agree that this looks like 7 o'clock?
Yes.
Good job, Riley. Thank you. How do the hands on the clock look like for 10:40? Let's see, Jaden.
Our hand on the 10.
Okay. What about the minute hand?
On the 8.
On the 8, good. And now if the hour hand's on the 10, and it's 10:40, should it be between the 10 and 11?
Yeah.
Right. Okay, so let's figure out the elapsed time of 7 o'clock to 10:40. William.
3 hours and 40 minutes.
Okay, 3 hours and 40 minutes. Let's test it on this number line. So we're starting at 7 o'clock. We're gonna jump 1, 2, 3 hours, and that'll get us to what?
10 o'clock.
10 o'clock. And these are each an hour. And then from 10 o'clock to 10:40, how long?
40 minutes.
40 minutes, good. So 40 minutes, and that is 10:40. So we have 3 hours and 40 minutes. Good job.
Fraction.
Good job.
Right.
On Friday, it was the 119th day of school. What is today's day of school? Jalen.
What did it?
Okay, but if yesterday, Friday was the 119th day, today is the what?
I mean, 120.
Good. So we have 7,140, and we're going to add 120 to it. Jalen, did you want to add for me?
Ooh.
Okay.
0, 6, 1, 7,002. Wait, yeah. 7,260.
Good, 7,260. And that falls between what 200s? It falls between 7,200 and 7,300. Rounding it to the nearest hundred, where do we go? 7,300, good, because that's 6, right? Now, how many ones do we have for this number? 0. How many tens do we need? 6 tens, and how can we show that with money?
1 5.
No, tens. How many 20s can we use? Yep.
20s.
3 20s. 20, 40. Good job. 60.
Or you can.
Right? It would be 6 tens, 3 20s. We're just trying to use the least amount of bills. We could put 6 tens in
Then
here.
a 50 and a 10.
How many hundreds do we need?
2.
2. And we already had 1 in here from Friday, so 1, 2. And then we have 70 hundreds for 7,000, right? Because there's no such thing as a $1,000 bill.
Yup.
Okay. Very good. Could somebody give me a product, and then we could figure out 2 factors for it? I would like a product. That's the answer when you multiply, right? Q1. 55. Okay, what 2 numbers multiply equal 55? Brandon C?
5 and 11.
5 and 11, good. Can we tell me the fact family sentences for 5 and 11, William?
11 times 5 equals 55.
Good.
5 times 11 equals 55.
Good.
55 divided by 5 equals 11.
Good.
And 55 divided by 11 equals 5.
Good. Good job. Do we agree?
Yep.
Good job. All right, let's go to our fraction circles. So we're in tenths, and then so I thought this would be a good time to introduce decimals, even though that's not something you need to know yet. It doesn't hurt to learn it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we had 3 colored in so far, so I'm coloring in 1 more. How many tenths do we have as of now? Raise your hand, please. Ooh, Kirsten. How many tenths? 4 tenths. Good. 4 tenths looks like 4 over 10, right? And as a decimal, it's 0.4. 4 tenths. It's the same as having 4 dimes. So you put a 0 behind it, like 40 cents, right? It's not quite half yet. Good? You guys did a great job at calendar. I don't think we skipped anything today. Thank you. Good job.
Yeah.
Brandon, you can press stop.